What's up, guys? Steven over at Lighting Trends, and today we're going over this 2003 Mercedes AMG SL55 headlight build that we completed. So the customer originally came to us with the intention of trying to modernize the look of the vehicle. So the first thing he wanted to do was get rid of anything halogen, replace everything with LED. So what we did was we replaced his high beam with a 2.5-inch Hyper Series bi-LED projector. Not only did the projector retrofit give it a more modern look, it really helped with the light output. Although the HIDs from the factory aren't bad, LED has come such a long way. It is crazy how bright these low beams are. So we also added 4 Flow Series halos in each headlight. Everything is also daisy chained, which gives it a really cool turn signal and chasing effect. We did 4 demon eyes total, so 2 high-power demon eyes in each headlight. The customer also decided to go for a black paint to really give it a clean look, and decided to go for satin so that it wouldn't reflect too much light. Not only did we do custom headlights on this car, but we also did some cool stuff to the taillights. So since there's not much going on with the taillights from the factory, we had to go and get a custom acrylic panel made for both the upper and middle section. That allowed us to mount 5mm through-hole LEDs, which are then wired to a Corso Motion 14-channel sequential module. Gives a really cool sequential turn signal effect and just makes the rear end of the car look that much lighter. Thank you guys for watching. If you are interested in purchasing any of the products that you saw in this video, all the links will be down in the description below. If you are interested in getting any pricing or options for custom headlights or taillights, you can reach out to us at Lighting Trends or CustomHeadlights.com. As always, comment, like, subscribe.